How to design grunge abstract portrait design. Open Photoshop and import your portrait photo and design elements. I already set up all elements for design. Click right button on the portrait photo layer for convert it to a smart object. Convert it to black and white image. Increase contrast using curves. Find a newspaper texture. Place it over the image. Set blending mode. Soft light. Repeat the same thing on next newspaper layer. Find grunge textures like ink splatters. Set the blending mode to overlay. Reduce opacity. Arrange ink splash element as per design with move tool. Apply layer mask on ink splash layer. Press F5 for brush settings. Use smooth brush for erase unwanted area. Increase brush size. Create a duplicate layer of ink splatter. Arrange ink splash element as per design with move tool. Use smooth brush for erase unwanted area. Create a new layer. Set the blending mode to color. Use the brush tool. Select a rough, dry or grunge brush. Paint bold red strokes across the face. Choose a bold rough font. Use Ctrl+T for free transform, increase the font size. Press Enter key for release, free transform, arrange with design. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.